Remember the law of attraction. Like attracts like. Means wherever our attention goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what expands, and that's what we manifest. We have to shift from blockages to blessings, because if we are focused on blockages, what you will attract? More blockages. We have to shift from pain to peace and positivity, because if you are focused on pain, then what you will be attracting? More pain, suffering, worry, anxiety, all the negativity. So where you have to shift? To peace and positivity. If you are going through a lot of obstacles, what you have to focus on? Opportunities. Because always remember, every misfortune bring along with it an opportunity of a good fortune. Every misfortune bring along with it an opportunity of a good fortune. So if you are focused only on the obstacles, then you will never able to find the solution. You will never become solution oriented. You will never able to move forward, move ahead, and you will never able to find the opportunity that is hiding behind the obstacles. Think about it for a moment. What if you are so worried about the obstacle? What if you are so anxious about the obstacle? You will realize that there is an opportunity hiding behind that obstacle. How exciting it is. What is that opportunity? When you shift, you will find how exciting it would be. You will be happy or not. That when you shift your energy from blockages to blessings, from pain to peace and positivity, from obstacle to opportunities, and when you start shifting your energy and you find that behind that obstacle, some amazing opportunities were hiding. And when you shift your focus, you found them. How exciting it would be. We are working on the healing. The next step of healing, after believing that it's possible, is changing the focus, the power of focus. Why you need to shift your focus? Because whenever you have to go through a healing process, the first thing that you have to do is shift your focus. Yes. Once you know that it's possible to heal yourself, the next work is shift your focus. So what is the core idea, core wisdom, core knowledge, core thing that I am giving you today? Is you have to shift your focus. You have to change your focus. You have to change your focus. You have to change your focus, because wherever your focus goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what you manifest. So what are you focusing on right now? What are you focusing on right now? Are you focusing on your blessings? Are you focusing on peace and positivity? Are you focusing on health and happiness? Are you focusing on love and joy? Are you focusing on growth and success? Are you focusing on wealth and abundance? Are you focusing on new job, new opportunities, new growth, new shift in your life? Because I keep seeing that so many people, so many law of attraction practitioners, they believe in the law of attraction, but their focus is on the negative things. Their focus is on the blockages. Their focus is on the pain. Their focus is on the suffering. Their focus is on the past failures. So what you have to focus on? On the positive things. So what is the core thing for today? That I can change my focus. You can change your focus only when you start being aware of your focus. Only when you be aware that you are focusing on the wrong things, and it's possible for you to change, it's possible for you to transform, it's possible for you to go forward. That's when you can change your focus.